Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add a sticker to a photo on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Photos app and then select the photo you want to add a sticker to. Now, click on the photo once and then go ahead and click on the three lines on the navigation. Click on the markup icon which looks like pencil at the top right. Now, click on the plus button, locate and click on Add Sticker. Then once you click on Add Sticker, you should see all your sticker pops. Now you can navigate through the stickers you have here. To add any sticker to the image, all you simply need to do is go ahead and select the sticker you want to add. Then adjust the sticker size. Once adjusted, go ahead and place the sticker where you want to place the sticker. You can repeat the same thing again to add multiple stickers to the image on your iPhone. Just go ahead and keep selecting the sticker you want to add. And that's it. After that, go ahead and click on the check mark at top right to save it. Then click on Done at top right to save changes. Now, if you go back to your photo gallery, then it should have the photo like this with stickers. So that is exactly how to add a sticker to a photo on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.